Good afternoon, Abin. So, Abin, please let me know that how many years of experience you have, right? What all skill sets you have, and where you are getting stuck in your career. I know you are already a member of my channel, and you bought my course also
Yes.
recently, right? So good. Now
Yes.
you are in the right direction, but I wanted to hear everything from you. Tell me each and everything in detail, but don't mention any confidential information, and I'll give you the best solution. Okay.
Okay. Actually, I'm Abin. Currently, I'm working. Total
Mm.
6 years of experience I'm having on Windows platform. So
How many years
now
experience
I'm
you said, Abin?
six.
6 plus. Okay. 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 Fine.
Yes.
Please
Yes.
go ahead.
So normally I'm into troubleshooting and server installation of software part support. So on
Mm,
network and hardware.
mm,
So that is the main department I'm handling.
mm,
So now I'm planning to. My main aim is to convert that. After from past 2 years, I'm planning to switch to cloud platform.
okay.
So I don't know where I need to start. I thought to start from Azure. Then I thought no. Some people are telling no, it's Azure and no. Start from AWS. And then I start 2 3 classes and again I'll stuck in AWS. And some people like I'm in the confused station. So like I don't know from where I need to start and how I can start my life like in the new platform.
Fine. So you are getting stuck how to and where to proceed. Correct.
Yes.
How, where, and for what purpose?
What purpose?
Okay. I'll give you your
But
purpose.
I know the basic cloud basics. I understood and I know the basic installation that
Mm,
part and how we are taking the remote access. That
mm,
totally I have. I know the basic
mm,
things,
mm, mm.
but I don't know when I'm applying for one job, what other set I need to add in my resume and how I'm changing my domain and which position I need to like for the which position I need to request. So I don't know from where I need to start. That's the main problem now.
Anything else before I'll give you the solution immediately? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Anything else? Any other problem or anything apart from this?
There is no other problem, sir. The main problem I'm facing, where I need to apply my starting my this cloud computing, where I need to apply first as a beginner.
See, first of
And
all, Abin, I'll tell you. Okay. So your state is there are, see, I am doing this on a regular basis, right? More than 300 members I
mhm,
have did counseling from my channel, and I am taking interviews and all. So after understanding from you, your state of mind is in confused state as of now. Okay.
state.
Listen very carefully whatever I am telling. So confused state is not a problem. Problem comes where you are listening to others, first of all. Correct?
Okay.
So your point, for example, if I am telling that, okay, my capability is to run 100-meter a day. Okay. Someone else capability is to run 400-meter a day. Okay. So but a person is sitting outside, he or she doesn't know anything about you, or he is telling the other person is able to run 400-meter, why you can't run? So you need to
Okay.
stop listening to others, first of all. So this is
Okay.
also through you also, I am telling to my audience also, that stop bother about others. What others is telling, stop listening to them. If you want to become a good learner in your career, okay, so you have to stop listening to others, first of all. What is your area of interest? I wanted to hear from you. What is your area of interest, Abin? Or you just want a job where you'll get good package?
Yeah. See, like I'm more into interested in administration. So
No, I want to hear. I have a, suppose if I tell I like to I like good, I like biryani, okay, So I like
Okay.
eating pani puris. Like I like sweets and all, right? So everybody has an
Mm-hmm.
interest because he likes it.
Okay.
So
Yes,
he'll rush for that shop to eat, correct? So
I
here
understand.
also, so your interest is like that only. So first you need to identify the current market trend and looking at the current industry from your point of view.
Mm-hmm.
I am not want to listen what others are telling. Just forgot about
Okay.
what others are telling because they are not going to run your family. First of all, Abin, if you will be in
Yes.
trouble, they are not going to give a single rupee to you. First of all, okay. So you have to take care of yourself only. This thing we need to understand. Correct. Now the thing is that where you wanted to see your career, whether in the field of development, whether in the field of infrastructure, or in the maintenance, where you want to see yourself, your interest. You tell me.
Oh, infrastructure, sir.
Confirm.
Yes.
Should I lock it?
Yes, no, no, not like that.
Okay.
Like currently, I'm
Now
working in the
see.
same infrastructure only. So,
So interest is not like that. If you take my career growth only, okay. So
okay.
there are few skill sets from where I have started my career. But I have taken a straight path, first of all. I know I
Mm-hmm.
in between there are patches, in between there are humps, there are pathholes and all, but I have not deviated from there. So things will be keep on adding to you, but you have to take
Mm-hmm.
master of one, jack of all. So you know why I am able to deal with everything. I am able to answer most of the guys' questions, and I am sitting at this position. I have changed almost 8 organization because one of my core skill is Linux.
Okay.
So you need to take something. If suppose your core skill is Java, so on top of Java you can add on things.
Okay, I understand.
So we problem with you, that is what I have understand, because what others are getting we no need to think. We have to think
Mm-hmm.
what my strengths are. If I'll understand what is my strengths are, so I can what other weakness is there, right? Then I'll understand.
Mm-hmm.
First
Yes.
I need to understand what is my strength, correct? So my
Strength.
strength is that nobody can touch me in the Linux, first of all, because I have
Okay.
given a amount of time and still, so because it's a core, it's like that building,
Okay.
there is a foundation, right? So nobody
Yes.
can break that foundation. You can break the entire building, right? Again, if you have
Yes.
to demolish, but the footing will be, the foundation will be your strong, correct? So like that only. So you need to make sure if you want to go in. You said that, sir, I want to go in the travel infrastructure. So if you want to
Infrastructure.
go into the infrastructure, two things has to be there. You should be very good at troubleshooting, correct?
Mm-hmm.
You should be very good at resolving issues.
Yes.
How the troubleshooting will come? Troubleshooting will come when you work in Linux.
Okay.
Just now, before you only, I was taking a career counseling of a different person. He was also from Kerala.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So he is telling me, sir, how I'll make my troubleshooting skills good. So for that,
Yeah.
it's not only Linux, some commands are there. FTP server is there, NFS server is there, right? DNS server is there, DHCP is there, LDAP is there,
DHCP.
NTP is there, right? So these are just not only servers. So once you start configuring this server, you will face lot of issues related to this. So while resolving those issues, your troubleshooting skills will be become better and better and better, and you will come to know how exactly the background is, what all configuration files are important. Like in cloud also, same things are absolutely same. You only tell me, I'm just giving an example to you, Abin. Like if you know already, you only tell me, you
Mm-hmm.
go to a garage, right? This is a lemon example I'm giving. So the garage mechanic, he is able to fix all the vehicles, right?
Yes.
Correct. Means
No.
he is able to fix,
Yes.
if any problem with the engine, he should be able to fix it, right?
Reset.
because the engine is same only the cc difference will be there. It's all combustion engine.
Yes.
Understanding my point? So in
Yes.
Docker
Yes.
also, when you run a command called Docker PS, so it's going to tell you all active and inactive container.
Okay.
But in Linux also, when you run a command called ps-f ef, so it's going to give you all the running processes. It's same only.
Yes.
So
Same.
ultimately, Docker is only using the base OS as a Linux operating system. It's using the
Linux.
resource of Linux operating system only. Tell me if I'm wrong. Container is using the host volume only. Host volume is your Linux operating system, either Ubuntu or Red Hat.
Yes.
So, like, why I'm able to tell all these things? Even if you go to Kubernetes, ultimately Kubernetes is just it's everything is on top of Linux. So if a crash loop error will be coming, any issues will be coming, so you have to search at CLI level only.
Okay.
Git is also entire Linux commands only executing.
Linux. Linux.
Okay, you take Jenkins only. So there are tools will be n number of tools will be there. But how you are
Okay.
there? Problem is most of the people, like if suppose you are telling, sir, I want to pursue a career in the field of cloud engineer, correct? So you only tell me in AWS crowd there is route 53, correct? What is that route 53?
Yes.
Your DNS server. C name, A name, correct? There also. So once you know end to end about your DNS and its troubleshooting, which all files are important for your DNS server, like your /etc resolve.com /etc host file and all. So what all files are responsible, what all parameters. Here also you need to see your networking configuration. There also networking configuration is suppose you have to allow HTTP inbound and outbound.
Mm-hmm.
So in firewall of Linux also you are allowing traffic, right?
Yes.
So, like this, we need to understand. See, people only think that Linux is just a setup command. That is their mistake. Okay. So now you are in the right path, Abin. Okay, according to me. So my suggestion is, please, anyways, you are continue with my course, 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. Please go
Mm-hmm.
through each and everything. I have explained so many real time issues. Now today also you have seen I have uploaded one video, right?
Uploaded on the field. Yes.
How I am
Yes.
able to show you the real time issues?
Because you're
Because
working
it's
in
coming
the.
from, no, it's not I am working from. See, I'm see my current role is in DevOps only, but still Linux is with me from almost 13 years. I am still that basic is strong, because when
Okay.
you configure NFS server you are going to face that issue.
Okay.
If you miss, somehow you deleted the share or you deleted something, so whenever the next time you will reboot your server, obviously that file system is not the
Fine.
system will try to boot up. You know what is the purpose of, if you see the booting procedure, right? So there is a stage. When I said kernel, right? So they're like
Mm-hmm.
BIOS is there, MBR is there, grub is there, and kernel is there. So kernel will try to mount the root file system, correct? So this is how I relate things from there. And
Okay.
it's try to mount, but it doesn't find out that particular file system, that partition
File
and or
system.
the directory, so obviously it's not going to boot up. So if we know ABCD, we should be able to make words. But I'm directly
Okay.
telling you that, okay, Abin, you have heard a word from somewhere California, correct? But if I'll tell you
No.
what exactly can you spell me California, so you'll be in trouble, or even I'll be on in trouble. Some, correct? The why the problem is that we don't understand. We need to make step by step things, right? So it's coming from that alphabet only. So thing is fine, no worries. So my suggestion is your troubleshooting and everything you should, because you have worked on Windows. So now
Yes.
92% of the server, whether Microsoft server, Google server, AWS, Alibaba or anyone, you see all the servers
Mhm.
are running on Linux operating system. Whether it's a small application or big application, everything is running on Linux. So your focus area should be towards Linux only, first of all. Second thing is that from there you should improve your automation skills. That will comes with either Python or comes with shell scripting, because you are associated with Linux. So I my suggestion is that that will be easy for you to learn shell scripting, bash shell scripting.
Shell script.
So you
Yes, yes.
should be easily able to automate your environment. Now you only tell me, in cloud also AWS, you they are asking to write the shell script, right?
Yeah, shell
For
script.
AMI, correct? You can create, for the
Mm.
creating a AMI also you can write a shell script, right? To
Yes.
automate job. Even in CI/CD also you need to write a script, right? Groovy script or
Mm-hmm.
the shell script only. If you are creating a normal pipeline also, forget about parameterized pipeline.
Mm-hmm.
Everywhere, I'm telling you, everywhere people have to understand this. So whether you are going for a platform engineer role, SRE role, DevOps role, cloud role, production support role, application support role, everywhere you have to interact with this Linux administration and the shell scripting. 70% maintenance, managing, monitoring, all comes under Linux. Same thing you are going to do it in as a DevOps engineer with the help of those tools. If you want to install Ansible also, you have to use the shell scripting to install Ansible. Suppose if you have to install Ansible in multiple servers, then you are going to install manually? No. You are going to write a script
It's
for that
automatic.
one. And for that, you should have knowledge of Linux.
Yes.
I can, you give me everywhere, it is that only. Okay.
Yeah.
But I understand, but no worries. So you no need to be in confused state. First of all, your focus
Mm-hmm.
should be very fine. First of all, you said, and stop what others are telling, stop listening to them. They are not going to feed you,
Okay.
first of all.
Okay, I understood.
Okay. What others are telling, I never listen to other in my life. What I can do, who knows better than me? Others or me?
Mm-hmm.
If I can walk 2 steps today, I will walk 4 steps tomorrow. That guy is able to run 100 walk. It's his capability, correct?
Yes, yes.
You know the story of rabbit and tortoise, right? Tortoise
Yeah.
capability is different and the rabbit capability is different.
Trouble. Yes.
So I know my capability and I am going with that pace only. So many
Okay.
examples I can give you, Abin. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not going to listen to other. Simple is that. If I am able to give 3 hours a day, I'll give 3 hours a day to learn something. But with my honesty,
Mm-hmm.
100% result will be there. Okay, so you
Okay.
focus on this. You are going right according to me. Just continue with that one. So once you are done with Linux and shell scripting, anyways, cloud
Mm-hmm.
videos are going to come soon, from hopefully from the next week. Okay, that I'll start the cloud. And if you wanted to interested in the live classes, my live classes,
Mm-hmm.
okay, that fee is absolutely different. Okay, live classes means those are
Mm-hmm.
the recorded videos of my live classes, right? But
Okay, I understand.
in the same batch, somebody like most of the members, I said, see, I am not like that. I am a very responsive, matlab, reactive person. Okay, if you don't
Yes.
tell
Mm-hmm.
anything, I'll keep asking you until unless you will tell me. Okay,
I
so
understood.
like that, because this is for you. This is not for me, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to be reactive. If you are putting your effort, put your effort fully. Don't be partially.
Okay.
Don't do anything partially. No
Mm-hmm.
worries. You are absolutely your experience. And only one thing, tell me, these 6 years, you are worked with only one organization or two, three organization?
Two organization.
Fine. Okay. So just focus on this one as of now. So immediately
Mm-hmm.
don't go for a, because, and anyways you are working, so there is a source of income you are getting. So don't think, means you start learning whatever the course anyways I have given, right? The outline is there.
Mm-hmm.
So just follow that same thing. Whenever you have issue with any topic, any troubleshooting, ping me. I am available, from the dashboard only, right? And
Okay,
once you
sir.
are done, let me know. I'll take your mock interview also, correct? And
Mm-hmm.
career counseling, anyways, I have done it, all right? And if you want to prepare the resume according to application support or a production support, that also you let me know. If you want to prepare the resume
Okay, okay.
according to cloud engineer, that also you let me know. But according to me, for you,
Okay.
the best way is, as of now, you should focus on at least uh, to be a more into the cloud engineer. Okay, as of now, for you, it's
Mm-hmm.
better that you should focus on application support or production support. So that will give a good
Okay.
amount of experience for you in the field of troubleshooting and resolving issues. That is important
Okay.
to work as a DevOps engineer.
Okay. And so what will be the skill set I need to make it? Main is like shell script and
Complete Linux
main I
administration
need to
and
follow.
database, MySQL, or any of the DB, you can take
Okay.
it. Okay, DB is required, and
Okay.
cloud is, you should start with any of the cloud. Videos are coming soon. Okay, so start practicing, and once I'll upload the migration project also, then you are done. Don't
Okay.
worry about that.
Thank you.
How you'll get the call? That is, I'll tell you that easily you'll get it. My concern is that
Okay.
when I'll take your mock interview, you should be ready. I
Okay.
can
Okay.
give you the
Sure, sir.
interview question answer also, Abin, interview questions.
Mm.
But again,
Mm.
once you'll get into means organization, again you'll be in trouble. How to resolve this?
Understood.
How to solve this? You will be reaching out to your peers and all, right?
Understood.
So it's like ready, steady, and go kind of a thing. I'm preparing for all my members. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So your
Thank you, sir.
confidence also will be boost up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not
Understood.
immediately telling you, no, Abin, please go ahead and start flying that fighter jet. No,
Understood.
I'm telling Abin, first see what is there in the ground. Okay, first we need to see that.
Mm.
And then
Okay.
your career, we need to grow gradually, linearly.
Yes, I understood, sir.
Infrastructure is like that only, right?
Okay. Okay. So, okay, sir. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Anything else I
Actually,
can?
I was in a confused state. Like, I don't know from where I need to take. Somehow I find out your YouTube channel and find it. Yeah, I think this is the right person. So that's why first I connected to LinkedIn, and then only I go to your team's link actually.
Thank you. You guys only are supporting me. And let's grow our channel together. That is my aim. So, to help everyone, so that I can give 24 into 7 to you guys only. That is what I wanted to do. So, the path which I came from, I don't want. See, what is happening as of now, our youth is either losing their money somewhere and they are going into depression. They are not finding the right guidance or the right path, right? Because everybody wants to get, see, but you should tell the right to him. If suppose, if I am telling you something, I am able to give the suggestion because I have already proved it, correct? I am already
Yeah.
done it, right? Almost 8 organization, salary also, what salary I am getting as of now, it's somebody is getting in US or UK. Okay, another thing is
Mm-hmm.
that what type of a questions they are going to ask you, that I'm already doing. I'm taking interviews. How to give the answers, I am regularly, I have given interviews also, I rejected. So rejection is good, first of all.
Okay.
Okay, if you don't fail, so you'll not learn.
I understood.
Don't worry, be happy,
Okay.
Abin. Okay, you are just only 6 years, you have entire career, and you have a great future. Don't worry about that one.
Okay. Okay.
But only
Thank you
stick
so
with
much, sir.
one thing,
Yes. Yes.
right? So anything
Mm-hmm.
else I can help you with, Abin?
No, sir. For sir, uh, from where I need to start? You didn't tell me that. Like, if I'm say maybe I'm working in a current company and I want to shift to cloud basis only. So
Hmm.
from where I can start as like cloud engineer only? Cloud engineer only I can start it. Or how?
No, no, I said right. Linux, my course you are going through, right? 100 days of
Mm,
IT corporate bootcamp.
yes, yes, it's
You
going.
have enrolled for the course, right? Already.
Yes, 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 yes.
You continue with that only. No worries. Okay. You
Mm-hmm.
continue, or did I not get your question? Like, what exactly?
So,
Uh,
actually, if I want to apply one cloud basis job, so for what position I can apply? That's what I'm
okay,
asking.
it's going to be cloud engineer only. Okay.
Cloud
Or
engineer
it's
only, right?
basically L2 support you are going to as a cloud engineer.
Okay, okay.
Mostly your role will
Thank you
be
so much.
L2 or L3 at 6 years of experience.
L2, I think
Hmm.
I don't have
Depends
previous
upon your
experience in
inter.
Linux, right? So it will
Uh,
be okay.
so you
Thanks.
can that I'll guide you. Don't worry about that one. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for your
Okay.
precious
Thank
time, sir.
no worries. So thank you, Abin, for connecting with me. Just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind.
Okay, thank you.
Thank